Hello and welcome to this November 23rd, 2010 video version of Invested Central's Chart of the Day. I'm Tom Boley, Invested Central's Chief Market Strategist, and it's my pleasure to provide you today's Chart of the Day. This Chart of the Day is brought to you by StockCharts.com, simply the web's best financial charts. Today we're taking a look at U.S. Bancorp, ticker symbol USB. The reason we're looking at a bank today, the bank index on Monday finished right near a critical short-term support level. If you pull up on stock charts $BKX, you'll see that the $45 level is a very strong short-term support level on the bank index, and we did bounce off of that $45 area on Monday. So I had actually taken a look at some banks to see which banks looked like they were at key support, thinking that obviously if the bank index bounces off of its current support level, that many of the bank stocks will do the same. And that's where I come up with U.S. Bancorp. This is about a $47 billion bank, and you can see the breakout that the stock made back earlier in November as the bank index was trying to make a breakout earlier this month. If you go back, you can see that USB tried on many occasions to get through $24.50, couldn't do it, and then finally early in November did with increasing volume. So it was a huge volume breakout to the upside, and then we pulled back on lesser volume and tested the area of the breakout. Now, in addition to having price support at this level, you can see that the 20-day moving average also comes in very close to this price support. So we've got price support at about $24.50. We've got the 20-day EMA sitting at $24.56. So we've got excellent price support. This is where I would look for USB to bounce. If we do fall below $24.50, you could look down to the trend line, which is just below $24. That also would be the next area of major price support, down at about the $23.80 area. So those are a couple of the key areas of support that I'd look for. $24.50 though, for me, is a big one. After all of these multiple tops around this area and then the heavy volume breakout, I really don't want to see a close below $24.50. So USB is sitting here at a pretty good entry point in terms of reward to risk. To the upside, what I'd be looking for is a move off of support and a push back up above $26 to test the early November highs. The RSI has pulled back down closer to 50. This is the lowest we've seen the RSI in almost a month. Same for stochastics, where we've now seen the stochastics down at the 44-45 area on the close. The MACD on the most recent high was pointing straight up. That adds to the case that the 20-day exponential moving average should hold as support here. So I think USB looks good, especially from a reward to risk standpoint. I hope you enjoyed our presentation today. Be sure to check out our chart of the day every day at investedcentral.com. While you're there, sign up for our free weekly Market Pulse newsletter and have the chart of the day emailed directly to you. Happy trading.